Hi, my name is Lily. Let me share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. This month, we updated several third-party components that were reported in the National Vulnerability Database, including OpenJDK, Jetty Server, Jetty HTTP, and Guice. Refer to our third-party software and licenses document for the complete list. The default cryptographic provider in SecureTransport is Bouncy Castle. With this update, administrators are now able to choose between Bouncy Castle and Sun for the services listed here on the screen. The Bouncy Castle cryptographic library is FIPS certified, and it contains more algorithms and cipher suites than the Sun library. For maximum security, we recommend using the default settings, where this value is set to true. In a case where you don't need FIPS, you can set the server configuration option for a particular service to false in order to speed up system performance. By doing so, Sun becomes the preferred provider and Bouncy Castle is used as a fallback. The file tracking and server log pages now display a more descriptive log message for the following advanced routing transformation steps: character replace, encoding conversion, line ending, line folding, line padding, and line truncating. The status details message on the file tracking page now summarizes the details and number of actual changes that were made, as well as the source and target encoding. See the messages for the character replace and line folding steps here in the screenshot. Additionally, a warning message is logged if no transformation actions were performed. For example, here for the line ending and encoding conversion steps. The AS2 Settings page has been redesigned with a more modern layout. In order to manage the AS2 settings, an administrator must have access to the server configuration and AS2 settings pages. These access rights are defined through administrative roles, and you can read more about them in our administrator guide. SecureTransport is now listed in the Microsoft Azure Active Directory application gallery, which simplifies setting up and managing user access via SSO. Thanks for watching! Apply this update using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.